GST Collection in October 2022. October 2022 witnessed the second highest collection of GST since the inception of the tax regime. The GST collection for October 2022 was 1.52 lakh rupees crore, the second highest collection since the launch of the GST. During the month of October, Rs. 26,039 crore was collected as central GST and 33,396 crore rupees as state GST. For integrated GST, 81,778 crore rupees was collected. This includes 37,297 crore rupees on imports. The cess of 10,505 crore rupees collected during October is the second highest in record. This includes 825 crore rupees collected on import of goods. The total revenue the central and state governments obtained after regular and ad hoc settlements in October is 74,665 crore rupees for CGST and 77,279 crore rupees for the SGST. What is the trend of GST collection for the past few months? For the past 8 months, GST collection has been around 1.40 lakh rupees crore. Of these, 2 months witnessed GST crossing 1.50 lakh rupees crore mark. GST collection reached a record of around 1.68 lakh rupees crore in April 2022. In September this year, GST collection touched 1.48 lakh rupees crore. During this month, 8.3 crore e-way bills were generated. This is higher than the 7.7 crore e-way bills generated during the month of April. Why is there a surge in GST collection? The increase in GST collection is